You're good. Josh. You're good. That's so damn cute. What are you doing? That is cute. I was worried about pulling them in here that it might tip, but
They've been rising since it stopped raining.
oh yeah?
How bad did it rain?
Not bad.
Not bad enough to put my hair.
Seth and Noah is back there. We are. We're watching it. We'll get wet over there.
Hey, hurry up, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Noah's coming.
Find a tip.
What's up? Good looking? What? What'd you get scratched on?
It ran over me.
Ran over you?
Yeah,
Did you fall?
Hurry up, move out of the way. Come over here.
Come over here.
You're right there.
Keep
Right.
going.
Keep your feet on it. Keep your feet on it. You're okay. Keep your feet on it. Go a little more. There you go.
Keep your feet up.